What's up, Elmdale Eagles? It's Monday, March 30th. We are going to start this week working with you on hand-eye coordination, but the first thing we need to do before we start this week is we need to create some equipment, okay? So today, this video is only going to be about creating equipment. The next video that Coach Hill's going to show is going to be how to use that equipment, okay? So this week we want to make balloons. Most of you guys probably don't have balloons laying around your house, but you do have plastic sacks. And you can make a balloon out of a plastic sack, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is find your plastic sack in your house from Walmart or wherever, and you have to check to see if it'll hold air. So you take your balloon and you squeeze it, and then you kind of squeeze it. This one, when I squeeze it, won't hold any air. So this one won't work. So if it has a leak in it, it's not going to work. And so I got to just get rid of that one and find a different one. This one, I think I tried it earlier. Let me see. It does hold air. So as I pinch that balloon, you'll notice that it holds the air. Once I know it's going to hold the air, I'm going to start twisting it. And I'm going to twist it, but I'm going to be real careful. I don't want to hurt that balloon, okay? And I'm going to keep twisting it until I get it nice and tight, almost like a string, okay? So once I have that string nice and tight, and the tighter I get it, you'll notice my balloon will start to fill up. And once I get it there, I want to take that string and I want to tie it in one knot so that I hold that air in there. See it right there? Okay? Now I've got my knot, one knot, and at that point I have a new balloon. It works just like another balloon that we have in the gym. Okay, it'll hold air, it'll do what it needs to do. And if you want to make it where it'll float a little bit better, take a pair of scissors, okay, and take that extra that you have at the end and just trim it off. And then all of a sudden, you've got a nice, cool balloon to use. Okay, we're going to be using a bunch of these this week. They will last a couple days. I made this one about 2 or 3 days ago. It's still holding air. Okay, this one was about 3 or 4 days ago. It's about out, so you might have to refill them or get new ones, make new ones. But the idea here is that we want to have balloons and equipment this week as we do hand-eye coordination. All right, once you've made your balloon, open up the other video from Coach Hill, and he's going to give you a challenge today to do with your balloon. Hope you're doing well. Can't wait to see you soon. Have a great rest of your Monday here in March, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.